Are you struggling with projects around the house? Have you ever thought there's no way I can do that? Well, I'm going to teach you how to do some really cool projects and how to do all the stuff around the house that needs to get done. Go check out all the cool videos on my channel, like the garage floor video, so you can start to learn how to do really cool stuff like that too. And hit that subscribe button so you can see all the great content we have coming up next. I started this channel because I believe you can do these things and transform your house into your dream home. I'll help you gain the confidence to do these things and pull back the curtain to see how these big projects or these little repairs are really simple when you break it down into tiny steps. Watch to see how easy these things can be, and you'll wow your friends and family and gain a level of pride and confidence in yourself and your home that you've never thought was possible. Subscribe and see all the great content we have coming next. Let's transform our homes and our lives together.